Gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shields in your game Monopoly Go. To do so, you first need to launch your game on your phone, and once it's launched, all you need to do is roll your dice until you land on any of these shield icons shown in your map. As you can see, there are two right here, and one is right here, and the other one is right here. So to get shields, all you need to do is roll your dice until you land on any of the shield icons on your board. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming.